Organizing your thoughts isn't about becoming perfectly structured or rigid. It's about creating clarity so your ideas can work for you instead of working against you. Every day, your mind absorbs conversations, responsibilities, worries, goals, and random flashes of inspiration. Without a system, those thoughts compete for attention, creating stress and mental clutter. The first step to organizing your thoughts is awareness. Slow down long enough to notice what's actually on your mind. Ask yourself, what am I thinking about right now? What feels urgent? What feels important? Simply naming your thoughts reduces their power to overwhelm you. Next, get your thoughts out of your head and onto a trusted space. Write them down in a notebook, a notes app, or even on sticky notes. When thoughts stay in your mind, they feel endless. When you see them on paper, they become concrete and manageable. Don't worry about order at first, just capture everything. Once your thoughts are visible, begin grouping them. Separate tasks from worries, ideas from obligation, short term priorities from long term goals. Categorizing creates structure, and structure creates direction. After grouping, prioritize. Not everything deserves equal attention. Identify what truly matters today. Focus on one or two key actions that will move you forward. Trying to tackle everything at once scatters your energy. Concentrated effort builds momentum and confidence. Finally, review and refine. At the end of the day or week, revisit your notes. Cross out what's completed, adjust what's changed, and add new insights. Thought organization is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing practice. When you regularly clear mental clutter, you make space for creativity, better decisions, and a calmer focus. An organized mind doesn't eliminate challenges, it helps you face them with clarity and intention. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.